People often ask, they see that we handle claims for negligent security, and they want to know, what does that mean? Well, unfortunately, if you review the news on a daily basis, you see that violent crime is continuing to rise, such things as shootings or assaults or robberies or sexual assaults. And when these things occur, it may create liability for the owner of that property, or if there's a management company or even security company, because the victim would have a claim against them for premises liability, but the claim would be for negligent security. And that's because the law in Florida says that as a business owner, you have a duty to provide a safe environment for your customers, for your visitors, or for your tenants. And you can breach that duty by failing to provide adequate security. The key in all of this is whether it is foreseeable that this violent act could occur or would occur. And lawyers who specialize in this do the research, and they obtain all of the information regarding crime in the area, not just that specific site, but in the surrounding areas, and what other specific similar acts have occurred. And they hire investigators, and they interview people that have been there, former employees. They interview maybe tenants. They find out complaints that were had about security and other things, find out what security measures are in place and whether they were then appropriately maintained. So the bottom line is, if you or someone you love is a victim of a violent crime, you should consult an attorney to see if there is a claim for negligent security. Early on, when we partnered up, Mark and I were able to recover over $6 million for a young man who was shot while he was working at a fast food franchise. We were able to recover from not only the owners of the strip mall, the franchisee, but ultimately even against the franchisor, because they failed to take appropriate measures to protect this young man.